Joke. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kiva and this is no, I'm not going to introduce her anymore because she doesn't know her name anymore. So, today we're going to be doing DIYs for back to school, right?
Right.
So, yeah, and you're going to need adult supervision, right?
Right. We're going to do ankara books.
We're going to do glitter pencils and acrylic painted pencils.
Yes, and we're going to do a coloring book cover for school. Excuse me, allow me shine. Yes, that's what I was saying. Then, so where are we going now?
Now we're going to the studio, so these are all the apparatuses I will need for the DIY. Yeah, the DIY. So we have everything on this table, which is called the art table. So you're going to need fabric, you're going to need glitter, you're going to need fabric paints, you're going to need glitter glue, and this. And then you're going to need pencils, and you're going to need acrylic paint. Right. Then you're going to need tape. Then you're going to need two books, one big one and one small one, like this. And then you're going to need this so that you can put it on this. And then you're going to need, if you want, you can have googly eyes, glitter letters, mushrooms, and normal letters. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need glue. You're going to need container. You're going to need tissue and a brush. So the first thing we're going to be making is an ankara book, which is we're going to be making out of this notebook and this. And my aunt helped me cut this out of this. So we're going to do that. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by making the ankara book first. And first off, you have to figure out if you're allowed to DIY your books in your school. And if you're allowed, because I'm allowed, if you're allowed, you can do this. Okay, so we're going to be needing fabric, any type of fabric. We're going to be needing Oohoo special glue and Oohoo normal glue. And you're going, if you want, you could use the letters to write your name on the notebook. So we're going to start that. First thing you're going to be doing is that you're going to be laying out the fabric on the table or whatever you're using. My aunt already cut out the middle point, which is this point where I'm going to be folding it. And they cut here and here. So now you're going to lay your table. Now you're going to lay your fabric on the table. Then you're going to put your book on the fabric, and I'm going to put mine on the inside and outside, but you don't have to, so I have to open my book. So we're going to fold it over. So now we're going to glue the front cover to this. So this is the part where you need adult supervision. So this is where my mom is going to help me. So now we're going to glue here, and then we're going to fold it up, and then we're going to do that. So now this is the finished product. We've done the front and the back. So now I'm going to stick on my sticky letters, and then the sticky letters, I put my name, but you can put anything on the front cover or the back cover. So I'm going to stick these, but even though it has the stick things at the back, and we're going to use Oohoo glue to make it extra sticky so it doesn't fall out. So we're going to do that now. Of the book, and I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the glitter and the name and the cover and the back and the other covers, things and bobs. And we put the papers on these on this book thingies. We put the paper on the inside cover, and you can see the outline a little bit, but you can't see it so much. But you can see if you made it, and you can only see if you put the fabric on the inside. So we did we put the paper here so it would look more mature. So I'm so happy. See, so good. See, good. And then even though I put it here, I can put like a lot of there's a lot of space, so I can put like stickers and everything, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to keep it like this for now. Hello. So now we're going to be moving on to this book, since we're done with the ankara book. So we're going to be making with these papers. And my mom printed this off the internet for free, and she printed it on hard paper so it would not fall off. So for the things that we are going to be using the Oohoo glue, the papers, the sticky thingies, the markers, the scissors, and the googly eyes. So my aunt already cut this out for the size of the book, like this. And then you're going to do the same for the back with this one. But you can do any other paper. So we're going to start doing that now. So now that my aunt has cut it out for the front and the back, so we're going to stick them on with the glue. So that it doesn't look like this, so that it doesn't look like we glued it on. So we're going to put this type of glue here, and my mom's going to help me with that. So then we have the sticky letters, and they're not letters, they're numbers. So So I put 3 times 0 here, and then I'm gonna put my name on the back here with this black marker. We're going to stick on some googly eyes. So this is not the last product. Look at the cute little googly eyes that I put. So I put the binder right here, and the 3 times 0, and I put my name at the back. So I'm gonna color, and I'm gonna color this while we're gonna do the last DIY which is the glitter pencils and the painted pencils. So yeah. So now our final DIY. Our final DIY is pencils, but we're making them glittery and painted pencils because you know how these pencils are so boring. Like, what are those? What are these? So we're going to be making glitter and acrylic, and we're going to be starting off with the glitter, and we're only doing the ends because if you do the whole thing, when you sharpen your pencil, the sharpener could ruin the glitter. So we're going to start off by doing this first. So I'm using red and gold, and we're also using extra glitter to make it more glittery because everybody loves gold. So we're going to start off by doing the gold. So we're going to start off by doing the gold. So we're going to take out the glitter glue cap, and as you can see, we have to make sure it's not sealed. Okay, it's sealed. It's not sealed. So we're going to put it on the end. So we're gonna dip it in the glitter here. And then it does not have to be the same color, but we advise putting the same color. Because then it will look like me. So now we're going to dust it off, and we're going to let them dry over here. Then we're going to move on to the acrylic ones. So now we're moving on to the acrylic pencils. So we're going to do the blue and green, so I'm going to start off with the blue. Fitting blocks.
The thingies.
So yeah, this is how they all turned out, and they look very nice. But these are the pencils, these are the books, and yeah, what do you think about them?
I think they're actually really cool. My favorite is all of them. Yeah. So these are actually really easy to make, you know, with the if you use any fabric.
If you just listen, you will know, and if you also just hit the subscribe button and like and share and hit the notification button so that you can get notified every time we make a new video. So yeah.
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 So let's color this.
Yeah, my God, is that amazing?